Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige espresso brown leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. We've got our S550 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all season and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, burl walnut wood trim, heated and cooled seats, power windows. Hopping in. Also included is our driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, an active lane keeping assist, pre-safe plus, speed limit assist. We've also got a burl walnut and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation. This one also does come with a surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad, and wheel for our infotainment center, sports and comfort suspension, a hard keys for media display. This S-Class has 25,372 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.